Today I'm taking a look at the Excited Work 20-volt brushless impact wrench. So, it comes with a nice case. We got our instructions. It says the no-load speed is between 1600 and 2500 depending on the setting. Impact rate 2700 to 3300 and a max torque of 600 Newton meters. So they make two impact wrench sets. What makes this one stand out is that it comes with two batteries. If you want to make sure you got that extra runtime, this is the kit that you want. Can't see that is a 21 volt 4.5 amp hour. So most of them are 4 amp hour. This one's 4.5. We do have a light there on the front so we can see what we're doing. And I appreciate that that stays on even when we're not pulling the trigger. Some of them, the light only comes on while you pull the trigger, so you can't really line the thing up before you have to start working. We got our forward and reverse switch. Nice small overall length, so you can fit that into tighter areas. This does have a hog ring on it. We also got a hole going through the center, so we can use this with a pin and O-ring. Can't see on the back that this is brushless, which is excellent because that means the battery is going to last longer, it's going to have more power, and you're not going to get that smoke smell that you sometimes get with brushed motors. On the bottom, we got our settings. So here's speed 1, speed 2, and speed 3. For reverse, that is one thing I like to see. It actually has a brake on it. So what that means is when it is no longer applying torque, instead of just ramming this thing into your face, it will automatically stop. And we have the capacity to turn that off as well. Cool. So we do have two batteries. They are both the clip style lock, and we got two big contacts, and each contact has two contacts on it. So very happy to see that. Looks like we got a charging port there on the back, but this actually comes with a full-on charger. We got our two indicators right there. It does have spots where we can hang this on the wall. It says it can input 110 or 240, so it's good for international or domestic, and it outputs 1 amp at 21.5 volts. Comes with a bunch of sockets. So you got 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. So this is actually a full set with no skips between a 17 and a 24. They're all depot sockets. They're all 6-point, and if you look close, we can see those are drilled out on the corner, so that's going to be good for off-corner loading. These also have a hole going through them, so we can use that with a pin and O-ring. It also appears that we got a bunch of O-rings and pins. Oh wow, got a whole bunch of them. That's nice. What we'll do is we'll put our O-ring on the socket. You can see it's got the little channel where it fits. Make sure you got the holes lined up. Drop that in. And that is a hog ring, so it will hold itself in place, but if you want to make it a little bit more permanent, take the pin, drop that in, put the O-ring back, and now there is no chance that will come off. So if you want to make a semi-permanent solution, a little bit more reliable, we do have that as an option. And it looks like it also comes with a strap. All right. Sure does. Cool. So as expected, that is a very nice little impact.